A badass Stoic guide for rejection. Let's face it, rejection hurts and rejection is painful. This video is made so that you know you're not alone. The next few minutes is not going to change your life, but it may give you a few nuggets of insight to get you through your day. Here are 6 tools to help you deal with the feelings of rejection. We'll start each of the 6 tools with the traditional Stoic approach first, followed by the same principle, but this time with a spoonful of tough love. Ready? Let's start. Number 1. Learning from your failures. This definitely does not sound fun or easy, but you should try to approach rejection as an opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. Identify where you can improve and use that rejection as motivation to become a better version of yourself. Another way to look at the same principle is that failure is your biatch. Treat rejection like the valuable lesson that it is. Learn from it, grow from it, and then move on. Go and use that crap that is rejection as fuel to come back better and stronger than before. Traditional Stoic mindset number 2. Stay present. Avoid or stop dwelling on past rejections or worrying about future ones. Stay grounded in the present moment and focus on taking positive action in the here and now. In other words, what I'm trying to tell you is, do not waste your precious life dwelling on past rejections that you cannot change. And do not stress and cause yourself needless anxiety on future ones that may not even happen. Instead, stay grounded in the present moment and focus on kicking ass right now, right here. Instead of spending time worrying, take that energy you have and get your shit together. Stoic mindset number 3. Detach emotionally. The Stoics wisely advocated for the emotional detachments from external outcomes. Instead of letting rejection trigger intense emotions, strive to maintain a sense of inner calm and poise. In other words, what I'm telling you is don't be a drama queen. Whatever the rejection you are facing, it probably is not going to mean the end of the world for you. So don't act like it is. Stoics don't like drama, and neither should you. Instead of letting rejection turn you into an emotional wreck, attempt to keep those emotions in check. Take deep breaths and make the effort to stay calm and collected, no matter what shit life throws at you. Traditional Stoic mindset number 4. Maintain self-compassion. This is a tough one, but we should stop and remember to be kind and compassionate towards ourselves in the face of rejection. Treat yourself with the same understanding and support that you would offer to a friend experiencing a similar setback. In other words, show yourself some damn compassion. It is time that you start treating yourself like you would a friend going through the same crap. You are a badass, and it is time that you start acting like one. Stoic mindset number 5. Practice negative visualization. To help build resilience and reduce the impact of rejection, use the tool of negative visualization to mentally prepare yourself for worst-case scenarios. In other words, imagine the worst thing that could happen and then brace for rejection. Rejection is inevitable. You're not going to win everything no matter how great you think you are. So be prepared for when it happens. Go ahead and imagine the worst-case scenarios. Prepare your mind for rejection so when it does hit, it won't knock the breath out of you. Number 6. Focus on what you can control. Instead of dwelling on the rejection itself, focus on your response to it. Stoicism teaches us that you can't control external events, but you can control your attitude and your actions. In other words, stop obsessing over things that you cannot change. Instead of sulking about the rejection itself, focus that energy on how you're going to react. You may not have the power to control the situation, but you do have power over your attitude, thoughts, and actions. I hope that this video has helped you. Stoicism has given me valuable principles and practices for handling rejection and the pain that goes along with it. By incorporating these Stoic principles into your approach to handling rejection, I hope that you too can cultivate resilience, wisdom, and a wee bit of inner peace in the face of life's inevitable challenges. Oh, are you still here? In that case, let me introduce myself. I am Nicole. I am the creator of the video you just watched. And if you are curious about my actual day job, come visit me at minicouples.com. I create and sculpt whimsical and adorable cake toppers that are made from your photographs. If you're searching for a forever keepsake of your wedding day, anniversary, birthday, then come and see me and we'll talk.